Hi friend, this is Tapas and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn how we can use ChatGPT as a financial expert, as a professional and expert financial advisor. Okay, so before that we will know who is a financial advisor and how we can get help and what is the role of a financial advisor. So financial advisor is a person who can help us, guide us to take a right financial decision. सपोज मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैं एक वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हूँ और मैं एक रिटायर्ड पर्सन हूँ, मैं एक हाउस वाइफ हूँ, मैं एक मैरिड family man who. So what will happen is, so I have some goal, like after 10 years, after 20 years, or after my retirement, I want to get some lump sum money. Okay, so I have some financial goals. Or suppose I'm a working professional and after getting my salary, I every month I'm finding that 10,000 or 5,000 rupees I'm saving. So I'm saving, suppose somewhere else, like might be the FD, and now the return is very less, as you all know. So I I'm not very clear that how I can invest my money in a right place so that I can get more return out of it. Okay, so suppose हम लोग अगर एफ डी में रख रहे हैं तो 4%, 5%, maximum 7-8% return we will get. But it may happens that if we start a SIP or mutual fund or stock or IPO, like that kind of thing, so there the return will be much better, or higher return we will get. So we don't know exactly, right? So for that reason only we have to go to our we have to find out a financial advisor, the expert one, and who can guide us the right place, who can help us to the right place, and the calculation also should be the right. Like suppose 5,000 rupees every month मेरे बज रहा है, so he will tell, okay, so 5,000 rupees you were saving every month, so you do one thing, 2,000 SIP, 2,000 like mutual fund, 1,000 gold, like that kind of calculation he or she will do, and they will tell us, okay, you do like that way so that you can reach to your goal. Okay, so like that it is for everyone, for a working professional, for a student, for a retired person, for a housewife, for everyone. Okay, so for that perspective we need to consult with a financial advisor who is expert on this domain. Okay, who is expert in this domain, so they can help us a lot. Compared to us, they, of course, they will have some advanced knowledge, so they can guide us. So what will happen is, if you consult with a physical financial advisor, they will charge some money. Of course they will charge some money because they are expert on this domain, so that is their job, so they will take money. So what you can do is, being a beginner, what you can do is you can take the help of ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. It will provide also the same kind, even the advanced level response, so that you can take a right decision. So suppose if you tell ChatGPT or any other large language model, okay, this is my condition, I am like this, and I want to achieve that goal. So who you are and what is your expectation, these two things you have to mention. So now you will tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, I am this and I want to achieve that goal within this time period, so you tell me what I can do, or how the things will be possible. So ChatGPT or any other large language model, they will help you, they will craft you a specific a personalized plan they will create for you, so that you can reach your destination. Okay, so here is one example. This is called persona pattern. There are lots of pattern, because as you all know, as it is a large language model, it follows some pattern, it follows some algorithm. So we need to write correctly, we need to give a correct prompt to ChatGPT or any other large language model, so that it can understand our requirement and it can produce our desired output. Okay, so this is called persona pattern. So what will happen is, I will tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, now you think that you are a professional financial advisor or a financial advisor, expert financial advisor. So I will give ChatGPT a role, and then I will tell about myself. I will tell about myself that I am a 45 years old middle manager earning an average salary. I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within 12 months. I current I currently have minimal savings and no investment portfolio. Create a monthly financial planning guide for me so that I can achieve my goal. Give me the first week's plan or first month's plan, broken down day wise. Okay, so now I'm telling about myself. I'm telling about myself that hey ChatGPT. No, first thing is we will provide a role to ChatGPT. ChatGPT act as a professional financial advisor. This is the role I am giving to ChatGPT, okay, or any other large language model. Then I will tell about myself. I am a 45 years old. This is I am a manager. I am a teacher. I am a student. That kind of anything you can edit based on your requirement. It's an example only. You can copy this template and based on your requirement, based on your output, you can edit it. So now I will tell about myself that I am a student, I am a working professional, I am this, I am that, and I want to, and now I am telling about my goal. Now I want to save this much money, for suppose I want to buy a car, I want to buy I want to take a flat, I want to buy a bike, that kind of anything. In your case it might be different. Now my for my case it will also be the difference. So now I have given my goal also, and now I the more details I'm telling about. I currently have a minimal savings and no investment portfolio. So again I am declaring myself that I don't have any portfolio, I don't have anything, any other savings as well. So now I am giving a task to ChatGPT. That is the real expectation, that create a monthly financial planning guides for me so that I can achieve my goal. So what is my goal? My goal is to, I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within 12 months. So time frame also I have mentioned. So now this is my goal. So that I can achieve my goal, you craft a plan for me. Give me the first week's plan. So first week what I need to do, you give me a plan, even break it down day wise. So in your case might be different. You can say give me the first month's plan and break it down every day wise. Okay, so like that way it will provide the answer. So let me copy this example. Let me go to ChatGPT. So if you don't know, this is the interface of ChatGPT. I will copy and paste it, and let me, I want to save, suppose in rupees I will write, I want to save 10,000 rupees for a down payment on a house within 12 months. You can edit anything, like based on your requirement you can write anything. So here is the prompt. The prompt is, act as a professional financial advisor. I am a 45 years old middle manager earning on an average salary. I want to save 10,000 rupees for a down payment on a house within 12 months only. I currently have minimal savings and no investing portfolio. Create a monthly financial planning guide for me to achieve my goal. Give me the first week's plan broken down day wise. So let me press enter and see how it works. In your case it might be different. Might be I am a working professional, I earn this much money. I am a student, I earn this much money. I am a retired person, I have my this portfolio. So accordingly you craft a plan for me. See, general plan, it's a monthly financial planning guide. Goal, save 10,000 in 12 months. Okay, 10,000 rupees in 12 months per month. Per month, how much? 834 rupees. It's an example only. Based on your requirement you will provide all the details like this. And general plan, income allocation, allocate 850 rupees per month for saving. So what I have to do, 850 rupees per month. I need to do savings. Limit non-essential expense to create a room for savings. Okay, action steps, what I have to do, open a separate savings account to keep funds increasingly increasable for daily use. Avoid impulsive purchase and focus on needs over wants. Okay, track daily expense to ensure you stay within the budget. Okay, the first week plan. Now the action plan, it has given action steps, it has action income allocation and action steps, it has given. Now first week's plan, what I have to do, financial assessment, list all income sources and fixed expenses, rent, utility bills and grocery, credit card, all these things are there. I need to list all those things. Identify non-essential spending to eliminate or reduce. Okay, these are the things: dining out, subscription, and all those things. Day 2, what I have to do: open a savings account, open a dedicated savings account to deposit 850 rupees per month. I need to do, as my goal is like that. Then day 3, create a weekly budget, set a budget for daily essential 200 rupees per day, for example. Okay, so you can take a budget, plan meals to minimize food cost and avoid unnecessary purchase. Okay, minimize non-essentials, track spending, start a side hustle. This is optional. You can start a side hustle to get some more money, explore small freelance jobs or weekend gigs to add income. Example, tutoring, content writing, selling homemade goods, like this. Then day 7, evaluate a week's progress, check if the stayed within the daily budget or not. Transfer the first week savings 200 to 300 rupees to savings account. So I think you have got the pretty idea. So based on my goal, based on my problem, ChatGPT has given me a ChatGPT has crafted a detail plan for me, because ChatGPT act like a financial advisor, expert and professional financial advisor. He guided me like this. Suppose you are going to a physical financial advisor, he or she will provide this kind of even not this advanced level. They will provide you a financial guide. Normally this kind of, and they will charge a lot of money. So now with the free of cost, what you can do, you can play with this tool like ChatGPT or any other artificial tools. LLM platform like Gemini is there, Copilot is there. Okay, all these things are there. So you can play with this tool and you can get your output. Okay, now one more, I think you have got the idea. One more example I will take. Suppose actor a financial advisor. Okay, let me take example number 1. In this sheet I have 10,000 plus advanced and premium ChatGPT prompts. So if you want to get the access, you can get it. And if you want to master ChatGPT prompt engineering, how to write effective prompt, because see, it's large language model follows some algorithm, some pattern. So if you want to master that pattern, I have a course, that is ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery course. There I think 200 plus videos are there, and 25 plus advanced modules are there, advanced topics are there, examples are more than 100 plus. Again, so this seed is 10,000 plus advanced and premium ChatGPT prompts. So if you want to get, you can get it. Lots of prompts are there, advanced level as beginner level as well. So now here is the example. Act as a financial advisor. I am a 30 years old professional wanting to save for a down payment on a home in 5 years. So exactly we have taken some kind of, let me delete it, let me take another kind of example. Job with okay. This example we can take. I will paste this example. So here I will tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, act as a financial advisor. Now I can modify it, act as a professional financial advisor or the expert in financial advisor. Okay, so like this, I am a freelancer with an irregular income and want to plan for retirement. Create a flexible savings and investment strategy that adjusts to fluctuating income with retirement as the primary goal. So again I will write here, I will modify it. It is I think it can be more better. Okay, so act as a financial advisor. I am a freelancer with an irregular income and want to plan for retirement. Create a flexible savings and investment strategy that adjusts to fluctuating income with retirement as the primary goal. So this is the thing. Give me 1 month plan. One like that. I can modify it even it is, if I don't modify it, that is also okay. So you can tell, give me a 1 month plan or a 6 month plan, give me a 15 days plan, give me a daily plan, like that way you can say. So I will not write anything. Again, you can modify it based on your requirement. So see, ChatGPT is given flexible retirement savings and investment strategy for a freelancer. Establish career goal. Okay, define your retirement life timeline and desired lifestyle. Estimate the required retirement corpus using retirement calculators. Okay, prioritize an emergency fund. Save 6 to 12 months of living expense in a high health savings account to cover income gaps. Okay, automate a percentage based saving plan. Okay, diversify investment. See, here is the investment plan also: equity mutual funds, then fixed income instrument like 20% to 30%, then index fund 10 to 15%, gold. This kind of these are the places where I can invest and all those things. So equity mutual funds for long term growth, choose SIP for consistency. Okay, these are the plans ChatGPT has given. Contribute to retirement specific accounts, create a income buffer to investment, then the monitor and adjust, manage risk with insurance. Okay, monthly action plan. Example: high income month, save 30 to 40%. Low income month, as I said, is a fluctual income. It fluctuate for me. The income is fluctuable, so that's why it has given. When the high income month is there, I need to save more. When the low income month, I need to save less, like 10%, or save at least 10% for emergencies and short term needs. Average month, stick to balance split: 20% investment and 10% for savings. Okay, so I think it has given me a pretty good idea. Suppose I'm a freelancer and I don't get very average or high income, so fluctuable income I am getting. So I need to plan something so that next 5 years, next 10 years, or next 2 years, I can save a few money for my emergency purpose, for survival purpose. Okay, so I think ChatGPT has given me a lot of idea. So now I can take the inspiration and accordingly I can take it. So before going to any other professional or expert level financial advisor, I think we can use ChatGPT or any other large language model, so it will produce a more detailed information. So we can take we can take the inspiration out of it, and accordingly we can plan. So that's it. I think it's pretty clear to you how you can use ChatGPT as a financial advisor. So if you go to a physical financial advisor, they will charge you some money. Of course they will charge, because they are expert on that domain. So before going that, you can take the inspiration from this platform. It is absolutely free. So just you need to know how you can write that prompt, how you are asking to ChatGPT, because it's a large language model. It follows some pattern, it follows some algorithm. So if you want to master the ChatGPT prompt engineering, you can enroll the course, that is ChatGPT prompt engineering mastery. As well, if you want to get these prompts, advanced level prompts, there are 10,000 plus advanced and premium prompts are available. You can enroll that as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.